Hey guys, welcome to Vito's Tech. My name is Vaughn. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to run a disk cleanup to get rid of the unnecessary files on your computer. Now when you run your computer programs, your internet, it downloads files that kind of hide in the background that you don't really see, and eventually it takes up a lot of disk space. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Start menu. And right when you do, it goes to a lovely search option here at the top. You're going to type in clean up. When you type in cleanup, the first thing that comes up is a disk cleanup. You're going to click on that. It should take long to open up. When disk cleanup opens up, it's going to analyze your hard drive to see how much space it could free up, to see how it's doing. For me, it didn't take long, so great. This shows me that I can free up almost a gig of disk space on my hard drive right now if I go ahead and just do this. So files to delete, I hit everything because these are just the files that are hidden on your computer that just need to be removed. Now, if you downloaded files, if you've saved pictures, documents, it doesn't include any of that, so you don't have to worry about that. But I always like to go to the cleanup up of the system files as well, because that system files is where all of your update stuff gets put onto your drive and it just sits like trash. It's like opening a brand new computer or a package from Amazon and you actually hold on to the trash. You don't, right? You want to get rid of it. It stores it. So let's see. If I have some system updates here, language files, interesting. So I can actually free up 1 gig of space on my hard drive right now. I'm going to click OK, permanently delete files, and it should take a few minutes, but you should be able to get that cleared up. And it's recommended that you try to run this, if not weekly, at least monthly, to make sure that your computer is actually clutter-free. So, hey, thanks for watching.